Guys, so in this video I'll be showing you guys how to master trading as a beginner using supply, demand, price action, market structure, and all those good stuff. So this is going to be a video series, and as you can see, let's get started. So first thing first, you want to come to the indicator section here and search for an indicator called session, because you want to trade according to the session. Because this strategy, session, is very important because you want to trade only the London session for this strategy. I already have this on my chart. So the next indicator you want to add on is supply demand zone. This is going to help you find supply and demand zones in the market. I already have all this added on my chart, as you can see right here. So let me close that real quick. The first thing first you want to do is, find structures in the market, and as you can see, look for equal highs and equal lows. As you can see, there's an equal high here, so you mark that out. There's also an equal high, equal lows down here, because as you can see, price went up, retested, went up again, made this equal highs, then came back. So the reason why I'm marking this out is because you can clearly, guys, you can clearly see that there's a manipulation here, because there's liquidity sitting down here. There's liquidity sitting down here. When you see a move like this that did not continue the push to the downside, there is absolutely clearly 100%, well, there's not 100% in the market, so I stand corrected, but there's a 90% chance that if this next structure gets taken out after this this push to the downside and grabbing of this liquidity, then this is a valid setup. And as you can clearly see, price grabbed the liquidity and went all the way back to the upside and grabbed this next liquidity. Price is always grabbing liquidity, taking those unprofitable traders out of their trades, guys. It's very simple. So once you see this structure and all this good stuff, you want to mark this zone out. So clearly this is the first zone you want to mark out. Once you mark that out, and also this is an equal highs that price took its liquidity to. So this video I will show you guys two examples on how to use this strategy. Alright, so after you're done adding all that to your chart, you want to go down to the 5-minute time frame for your entry. So the 5-minute time frame is where I like to find my entries and my stop loss and all this good stuff, and find the supply demand zone. But it depends. You can also use the 3-minute time frame in case you don't see the setup you're looking for on the 5-minute time frame. All right, so let's check if we can see a setup here, and it clearly looks like there's no supply demand zone that stands out, because I want to see consecutive candlestick push. And as you can see, there's actually a decent demand zone right here, but it does not give me that active. There's no multiple candlestick retracement before the supply demand. So you want to go to, let's say, the 3-minute time frame. So on the 3-minute time frame, as you can clearly see, price made a swing high up here, came back, grabbed the liquidity to the downside at this point, did not make a new lows, but instead it gave us this supply demand zone. But we only enter the supply demand zone only if this setup I'm about to show you guys, only if this entry setup did not show up. So as you can clearly see, after we saw this swing high, price came back to retest it. So once price retested, that is where we'll be taking our trade. That is where we'll be taking our trade for a buy, stop loss slightly below, take profits, maybe this the highest point before the push to the downside, let's say down here, which is going to give us a decent 3 points, almost a 4-to-1 on this one trade. So this is when I'll say this supply demand zone doesn't stand anymore, because price has already moved and has done its thing. Because if price does not retest this swing lows, then I would suggest you take the trade off of this supply demand zone on the next time price returns to that zone. In case you don't understand what I'm talking about, I'll keep making more videos like this, explaining in depth on how the strategy works. So if you guys want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe. It's very important, and leave a like on this video. And if you have someone that wants to watch videos like this, make sure to share it with them, guys. And also, my Telegram group is open. I'm changing my VIP group. It's no longer VIP, it's no longer paid, it's actually free. If you want to join, the link is in the description for I'll be opening this for the next 1 month, So if you guys are interested in joining the VIP group, then give it a shot. So as you can clearly see, this is the next structure high. We marked out 2 zones, so this is the second zone up here, and as you can clearly see, price gave us a structure shift, but the difference with this one right now is price did not retest it. Are you getting me, guys? So price did not retest this structure, which means this should be my entry. This structure down here should be my it is our entry. So you mark that out, and clearly you can see that this one got tagged in because price came back, retest our structure, and went all the way up. So I would just say, okay, you can just be more static, just take a 4-to-1 on that trade, and life's good. So, and as you can clearly see, price came back. Like, guys, look at the precision, guys. Price did something very, very precise. Price literally, like in the literal sense, it literally came back to that zone we marked out, and it clearly gave us an entry. As you can see, a beautiful entry down there, up here, and stop loss slightly above, just give it a little bit of a breathing room, slightly above that, and you can take a 4-to-1. So this is our 4-to-1, and you can clearly see that price went even way up. Like, price went nuts, price went absolutely crazy. So it all depends on what you want. If you actually want to trail your stops and banking all this move, like, look at this, guys. This is like an 11-to-1 on this one single trade. This one went like a 6-to-1 plus on this one single trade. So it's easy, guys. I'll be making more videos like this, so if you guys want to see more videos like this, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll be dropping in more videos with live trades, not just teaching you guys how it works in hindsight. I'll be dropping more videos on how to actually trade this strategy on a live account. So that's it for this, guys, and if you guys found value, subscribe, like, share, and peace.